And parang you've met a lot of successful people because of your business.
Yes.
People who can afford yung watches mo. So, paano malalaman isang tao talagang nuknukan ng yaman or nagpapanggap lang na mayaman?
Ang hirap naman sagutin yan. Pero ito,
Curious lang ako.
I would say 70%. So macro. Let's talk about the macro. Hindi lahat naman kasi applicable eh. Meron talagang mayayaman pare, pero they love bragging and dressing up. Pero most of the time, in the macro, the simpler they are, the more money they have.
Grabe, no?
Yeah. Same goes to your example kanina, na meron ngang may fake watch, ayaw na niyang bilhin because they can. You know, people, when they can, they don't most of the time.
Wow.
Kasi the urge that you want to buy something or do something comes from, one is pleasing people you don't even like, di ba?
Yeah. Comparison.
Comparison, buying things to brag about, to people you don't like as well.
To flaunt.
So it mostly comes from negativity.
Greed din, no?
Greed,
Oo.
negativity. Ganun pag bibili ka na.